Hello, welcome to AWS Cloud in Easy Steps. Today we will learn how to create a new remote repository. So I will show you guys step by step how you can create account on GitHub. And as we are just covering in my previous session, we have just covered the local repository, and in my previous session, I have we have learned how to create a file and folder in the Ubuntu machine, and how to make it from move the file from a working directory to staging area by using git add command, and then from staging area to local repo by using the git commit command. And after that, we have learned about git checkout, how to revert the file and folders, and git merge, guys. This is the part of branching. So I will show you in the when I will make a tutorial for branching, then I will show you guys how to use the merge command. So today we will talk about remote repo. So we have covered the local repo area, and today we will cover the remote repo area, how to use git push command, git pull command, and how you can share your coding with your other colleagues and developers. And I will show you guys step by step how to do that. So let Similarly, we have covered the part which is in my previous demo. So we have covered the git init creating repository, and we have completed all this area. And now today we will cover the how to synchronize the repository, remote repository, and how to synchronize, how to use add origin, how to use push and pull command. Let's show you guys one step by step how to do that. So for this one, you need to create first, guys, your account with the GitHub. So let's go to Google and create your account. Sign up. If you don't have account, then you need to sign up. If you have account, then sign in. So I will go to GitHub. Okay, click here, and now uh, go to the GitHub account. So if you don't have your account, then you need to sign up for GitHub. So you need to give your username, password, and whatever the information is required, you can give it here. But I have already created the account, so I will go to sign in, right? So sign in, and I will click on sign in. So once you will create your account and you will sign in, then you will be on this main page, which is this one, right? So I will and now we have to create a connection. Just suppose we don't have any connection at the moment, we are creating our connection from scratch. So let's click on new, create a new connection, right? So I will say I will just keep my repository name as I will just keep, you can keep any name according to your choice, but I will keep my name Imtiaz UK, right? So this is available. You can use this name. And now if you scroll down a bit, you can see it's you want to keep your connection public or private. So if you I want to keep it public just for the demo purpose, and you will be able to access over the internet. And if you click on private, then you won't be able to access over the internet, and this will be entirely for up to you. And or you can customize with the different IP address, and only those specific people, they will be able to use your account, not everyone. So anyway, guys, I will keep it public for the demo purpose, and we will click on create repository, right? So we are creating repository now. So this is entirely new. I will keep my username is Imtiaz588, and I have keep my repository name is Imtiaz UK. So we will copy this link, guys, which is required. So we will just copy this link to link this account, this remote account with the with our Ubuntu machine. So I will go to Ubuntu machine now, guys. So now I will show you guys how to, you need to just create some files or folder or anything you want, guys. Anyway, I will keep it simple just for the basic. I want to cover from the basics. So anyway, I will just create some files, and I will move these files to our remote repo. So let's create some files like right? Touch Imtiaz UK1, right? This is my file name. You can keep any file name, guys, according to your choice. And I will create some file, Imtiaz UK2, and then I will keep any file name like Imtiaz UK3, and then I will go for any file. Guys, you can keep any name according to your choice. So I will go for. I have created these five files, guys, and now I will check status, right? Status, right? So you can see these are untracked files. So for to track these files, so you need to add these files. Git add. If I give the file name Imtiaz UK1, and then let me show you Imtiaz UK1, right? You can see this file is moved to the staging area. Let me show you status. Git status, right? You can see, guys, I have added this file into the move this file from working directory to staging area. So this file is tracked. So now these remaining three files, four files, I want to turn to I want to add all these files into my staging area, but I don't want to go for one by one. It will take time. So I want to do all these files, move to my staging area at once. Then I will use the command git add dot, right? So if you use this command git add dot, then all these Imtiaz UK2, Imtiaz UK3, 4, 5, these are all the files will add to my staging area at once. So I will click on enter. You can check the status, git status, right? You can see, guys, all these files are moved to staging area. So now now we need to commit these files to make it our local repo. So I will go to git, I will go to command git commit -m. So and I will give the message all file created, right? So right, so enter. So these are all the files are committed, guys. These are our local repository. So now we want to create a connection, guys, and I will show you how to create a remote connection and how you can move these files to from Ubuntu machine to our remote repo. So let me clear the screen and let me just make a little bit font size little bigger so would be easy for you to view. So this is a change setting and I will go to appearance and change the size. I will go to 14, yeah, 14 or 16, yeah, 14 would be fine. So okay, and apply, right? Okay, guys, so let me clear the screen, right? Okay, now we will create a connection, guys. Let's give the command git remote add my add and my I keep a name Imtiaz UK1, and then I will give the link Imtiaz UK. Let me just keep the because UK1 is our file name Imtiaz UK. Okay, right. Okay, guys. So I am going to create a connection. So now you can see our connection is created. So now I will give the command which is git push and to move these files to our remote repo. So git push imtiaz UK master, right? So system is asking me the username for github.com. So I have created my username and password once I create the my account with GitHub. So you need to give that username and password, guys. Remember this thing, otherwise you won't be able to connect. So my username was Imtiaz588 and I am giving the password, right? So if I click on enter, invalid username or password. Let me go to do again. So git push UK master, right? And I will give the name Imtiaz 588, and my password is, right. So I have given the correct password now, and you can see guys that these are done. Counting object 26 done, and compressing object 100% 22 over 22 done. So these files are being moved from our Ubuntu machine, from our local repo to the remote repo. So if you want to check guys if the files are being moved or not, so you need to go to your GitHub account, right? So we have created this account, so just refresh guys. If I just refresh this one, right? So you can see there are few files that was being created before, but we have created these files now. Imtiaz UK1, Imtiaz UK2, Imtiaz UK3, 4 and 5. You can see guys, just 4 minutes ago we have created these files, and we have moved these files into our local into our remote repo. So if you want to check guys, I mean if you are giving this link to someone who is sitting in the different location in different country, so you can say, give them a link, and you can say them, okay, I mean you can give them the same link which you give in the Ubuntu machine, and they can access if they are giving the same link in on the internet. And then you can give the link and paste this link into the address bar and enter. So if everyone is entering here, so you can see guys, while in giving that link here, they can view your file in Imtiaz UK 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they can check over the internet. That is the benefit of a private connection. So I will leave it here guys, and I have showed you, we have learned how to create a connection with GitHub, and how you can move your files to the GitHub and remote repo. And now guys, in my next session I will guide you step by step how to move forward and what is our next topic. So thank you very much for watching. I will just stop here because I want to keep it short tutorial. Thank you very much guys for the listening. Thank you. Bye.